video will be showing you how to change the category photos here. So go to the theme editor and then you click on this section under the collection list. For example, I want to change the same-day delivery image. Click this and then you click on edit, and then it will direct you to the collection page to change the photos. So you have to change both photos here and also here. You can click on edit and change image, and then you can drag the image you want to upload. For example, this. And done. Change already, and then another one. And save. And then go back to the theme editor. After refresh, you should be able to see the new photos.